Okay. Hello friends, today I will be teaching you about Turgor pressure, osmotic pressure and diffusion pressure deficit. So first of all you need to understand what is meant by hypertonic solution and hypotonic solution. A hypertonic solution is the one whose concentration is very high as compared to the surrounding environment. Okay. A hypotonic solution is the one whose concentration is less as compared to the surrounding environment. Now, suppose you take a plant cell whose concentration is hypotonic. Okay, means concentration of solute inside the plant cell is less as compared to the concentration outside. Okay, so what will happen? Concentration of solute inside the plant cell is less, means solvent is more and outside solvent is less. So the water from the plant cell will move inside the outer environment, means the plant cell it will become flaccid, that is it is going to lose all the water which it has. Now for example, the environment inside the plant cell is hypertonic and outside it is hypotonic, then the water from the hypotonic environment it is going to enter the plant cell to balance the concentration, then the plant cell it is going to become turgid. Okay. Now what is meant by Turgor pressure? Now for example, this is a plant cell. The solute concentration, that is the solution inside the plant cell, it is hypertonic, that is concentration of solute is very high. So what will happen? Water from the outside environment it is going to enter the plant cell. When water is going to enter the plant cell will be filled with water, it will become turgid. Okay. Now this solvent molecules which are present inside the plant cell, they are going to exert a pressure on the cell wall. This pressure is called as Turgor pressure, that is the pressure exerted by the solvent on cell wall is called as Turgor pressure. Okay. Now suppose the concentration inside the plant cell is very high of the solute. So now the solute molecule they are exerting some pressure on the plant cell wall. This pressure is called as osmotic pressure. So osmotic pressure is the pressure exerted by the solute molecule on the cell wall. Okay. Now, as you go on increasing the solute concentration inside a cell, the osmotic pressure is going to increase. Also, the cell wall applies an equal and opposite force on the solution which is present inside the plant cell. This pressure is called as wall pressure. In a fully turgid plant cell, wall pressure will be equal to the Turgor pressure. So WP it is going to be equal to the Turgor pressure. Okay. Now what is meant by diffusion pressure deficit? Deficit means difference. So DPD, that is diffusion pressure deficit, it is the difference between diffusion pressure of pure water pure water minus diffusion pressure of solute. So this is diffusion pressure deficit. Now in a fully turgid cell, the Turgor pressure and wall pressure are going to be equal. So the DPD value it is going to be 0 in a fully turgid cell. Thank you for watching this video.